Integrating evidence, the backbone of expository essays. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive into an essential component of expository essays, integrating evidence into your writing. Knowing how to seamlessly incorporate research and evidence can elevate your essay from good to great. So let's unravel the mystery behind it. In academic writing, evidence refers to facts, statistics, quotations, and examples that support your main ideas or arguments. In expository essays, it's vital to use evidence to explain, clarify, or define your topic. Just remember, it's not about using evidence for the sake of it. The evidence should be relevant and reinforce your point. When integrating evidence, it's important to be aware of its various types. 1. Anecdotal, personal stories or examples. 2. Statistical, numerical data that offers a quantitative perspective. 3. Testimonial, quotations or endorsements from experts in the field. 4. Empirical, observations or experiences, often from studies or research. 5. Analogical, comparisons made between similar situations. Successfully integrating evidence is an art. Here are some steps to help you master it. 1. Introduce. Start by introducing the source or context of the evidence. For example, according to a 2020 study by Harvard. 2. Present. Insert your evidence. It can be a direct quotation, paraphrase, or summary. 3. Explain. After presenting your evidence, clarify its significance. Answer the question, why is this evidence important to my argument? 4. Link back. Conclude the evidence by relating it back to your main argument or thesis. Remember to always cite your sources. This gives credibility to your work and acknowledges the original authors. Transition words act as bridges between your ideas, helping your readers to follow your train of thought. When integrating evidence, use transition words like firstly, secondly, lastly for instance. Moreover, conversely, therefore, etc. These words make your writing flow and ensure that the evidence doesn't seem abruptly placed. That wraps up our discussion on integrating evidence into expository essays. By mastering this skill, you not only strengthen your arguments but also make your writing more compelling and trustworthy. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, practice makes perfect. Keep writing and refining.